Let's see this. A and B can finish a job in 15 days. B and C can finish the same job in 20 days. If A is twice as good as workman as C, then in how many days A take to finish the same job alone? So they are saying that A and B, when they are working together, they can finish the job in 15 days. So A and B, when they are working together, they can finish the job in 15 days. And B and C, they are saying that when they are working together, they can finish the job in 20 days. Okay, and now A is twice as good as C, that is what is given. So if we assume that then what is the relation between A and C is rate at which A is doing the work is equal to twice the rate at which C is doing the work. This is what we can say. Okay, now they are asking about how many days will A take to finish the same job alone. So in order to find it out, you are supposed to find the rate at which A is working and also the total work, right? So if you see this rate, again this rate is if you see the number of days and if you can assume some work, then finally number of days will will be constant depending on the rate. So let us assume that the work is some number, so that final answer will not matter on that. I am just assuming that work is some number because depending on the work this rate will change, and therefore the time will be same depending on these two. Whatever work you assume here, the rate is going to change accordingly, and therefore the final answer will not change. Okay, let's see this. Now what will be a better number for this? So 15 is given and 20 is given. You can take any number which is a multiple of these two. I am taking 60 units. Okay, if you take that 60, then what is the rate at which A and B have worked together? 60 by 15, which is 4 units per day, is the rate at which both of them are working together. And what about the rate at which B and C are working together? 60 by 20, which means 3 units per day. Got it? So what is the meaning of it? Rate of A plus rate of B equal to 4 units per day. And what about this? Rate of B plus rate of C is equal to 3 units per day. Now you take the difference. If I take the difference, then RA minus RC equal to 1 unit per day. Got it? And we already know that RA equal to 2 into RC, or RC equal to RA by 2. Since we are worried about the number of days A will take to finish it, I want to find out the rate of A. That is why in place of C, I am substituting the rate of A. So RC equal to RA by 2. So what do you get here? RA minus RA by 2 equal to 1 unit per day. So what do you get here? Rate of A equal to 2 units per day. This is the rate at which A is working. Okay. Now given that the total work is 60 units and the rate at which A is working is 2 units per day, we can find out the time. Time taken by A to finish the work is the total work divided by rate at which A is working, right? So what is the total work? 60 units divided by 2 units per day. Now you are going to get 30 days, right? Okay.